Before I said anything, let me thanks to the Honorable Maulana Rahmatullah Sahab and the other guest, Mufti Saddam Sahab and Maulana Sikandar Sahab, as per my knowledge. It is a matter of pride and happiness seeing that the Muslim children of this Madrasa, which is located in such a deep down desert area, these of the students, I must say that they come from a very humble background, but despite that, they have performed so beautifully. I am amazed to see that these children has proven themselves today. But the journey doesn't end here. In fact, your journey it starts from here. I am requesting you to that you must focus on your study. You must learn English by your heart. Of course, you should be learning Quran, Hadith, and the other elements of Islam which is necessary. But as in the beginning, Maulana Sikandar Sahab has mentioned that in modern days that you cannot survive without having an English language. So once you have polished your language, especially English, you can go all around. You can make your presence anywhere, and without taking so long your time, let me thanks again to all honorable guests and other members of the team, and I hope that you will be continuing working hard, and let me give you some tips how you can improve your English as well. That you should learn, you should read at least English newspaper. I'm not sure whether you can get English newspaper over here. I knew it. That is quite difficult to get. But nowadays you have a mobile, so you can download various other apps and websites. There you can read English newspaper, which would help you to improve and polish your English language. Thank you so much to making this event so beautifully. Thanks a lot.